Hi everybody, Think Perfect here. In this video, I'm gonna assemble one of my engine I just printed, and I hope I can show you at the end if it works. So let's get started. So it's a pretty basic engine because it's a one cylinder, and I I designed it for to be a small engine for a bike. So that's why it's so small. So we can see the crankshaft. We have the little cam on the side for the timing. As you can see, there's a little hole here, so we can put the push rod beside of the cylinder, so it's a little bit more compact. So we are gonna begin with the piston, the easiest one. I just put the pin through here and it's gonna lock it up. And now we have a connecting rod with the piston. So already one thing done. I'm gonna assemble the crankshaft. See if it fits. It does, so it's a good thing. Oh, there you go. So we know it fits. That's a really good thing. So cool. Now we take out the crankshaft, we take the connecting rod, and we take this little thingy that goes with the connecting rod, like this. But first, we need the screws to go with the connecting rod. Put 2 screws in. This, you can see it, 2 screws. And you take your crankshaft, in that case it's mine only, because I'm not, maybe if you subscribe or like this video, I'm gonna publish this model that I made. But first, like I said, you need to subscribe. So we see the little screws that is out. We take the little nut right here. It's very, very tiny. I put on the screws. On the screw, I mean. It's really, really tiny. It's hard to move. I got it. Okay, one down. Now, oh, it's so tiny. it's hard to screw it in. Now I take this and I screwed it up till it's tight. And I don't want to have to have little space between the weights. So if there's something hitting the space, it's gonna go bad. Really, really bad. So we gotta make sure it's screwed in tight. It can explode possibly. But in a good manner, not explosive. So tiny. There you go. Now I just want to have it straight. You see? It needs to be straight with the connecting rod, because if there's something go past the connecting rod, it's gonna hit the hammer right there. You see that? The little screw. We don't want to have it hit on the sides. So there you go. If we test it, there's no hitting on the side, but this one, it's a little bit. There you go. Now we have it perfect. We take the crankshaft and the piston and we put it right here in the cylinder. Oh no, I missed. Wait, I missed one step. I need to put the push rod in here. So there you go. And I put the crankshaft now with the piston. Wrong side. There we go. Now it's good to go. Okay, no friction. That's good. I made sure that there was no friction for the engine. I'm not gonna close it up now because maybe later I'm gonna need to see the inside. Now this is done. Now I need to take the cylinder head and assemble the valve. It's pretty simple. We just put it in here. It's tight. It's a good fit. And now we don't need it to be too tight because it's not gonna open. Now oh sorry, I just lost something. I lost it. Oh, there. I found it. Okay. As I say, like I said, you take this little thingy and you put it on top of the valve and the spring, and after you take I don't know, a something that is flat to punch it in. So I just do this. I take the top of the valve. I take a hammer. Don't worry about the bit. It's already used and rusty, so I don't need to change something. There you go. Now I take my little hammer and did it work? Oh wait, I need to do it again. Don't move. Okay. Like I said, again. Oh. Ah. I think I got it. Oh no, it popped right up. Oh yeah, let's go. I did it. I hope it doesn't pop. I'm just gonna... Oh, I mean, now it's tight. It's a good start. There you go. It's not straight, but it will do the job. Look, the little valve. So cute. Tiny little engine. Ah, again, just pop. It's not supposed to, because I did before starting the video. So. Now it's tight, I think, and I hope. Look, it's working again, and it's a lot more straight. I love this. Now, next step, I'm gonna take this. It's, I don't know, I don't remember how it's called, but it punched the valve to open. You know what I mean? It punches the valve. Oh, just popped again. How many times gonna pop? Oh, oh. Maybe I will put some super glue so it doesn't pop again. Oh, why it's so hard to open? Oh, there you go. I'm gonna put the camera straight again. There you go. So, this. I'm gonna put some super glue on the valve because it's popping all the time. A little bit, not that much. There you go. Now it's gonna say maybe forever. It's bad, but I mean, I can do another engine. I'm just coming back because I need oh, I got some super glue on the hand. Wait. Hi guys. I got something to wipe it off, the extra, and yeah. Okay. Perfect. I hope this time it doesn't pop. I put literally super glue on hit. There you go. So I'm not gonna play on it anymore and go to the next step. So this is the next step. I take this and I put it in here. After I take the pin and I put it in the little hole right there. So cool to assemble engines. Look, now I can do this. So the cylinder head is done. So another thing done. Cool. The pin, it's a little bit loose, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna fix this later. Now we are at the cool steps. Take the cylinder head and we put it on the cylinder with. If I do a little test before I glue it, it's gonna do this. Oh, yes sir. Oh, what is happening? What is happening right here? I hope doesn't doing. I don't wanna break it, but I do it again. Okay, yeah. Okay, perfect. Right, it's stuck. Wait, if I put something to hold the push rod, I don't think it's gonna do it again. I found a tie wrap. Maybe it's gonna do the job. Just holding the push rod. Just want to see where the exhaust is, so I don't put the tie wrap on the exhaust. Would be so bad. Wait. It's too tight. Wait, I just made another mistake. Wait here. Wait. Get in. Get in. Oh, I got another tie wrap. And now I don't want to mess this up. Is the spring doing his job? Yeah, it does. I'm happy now. Look. Yeah, let's go. Now I'm gonna glue it. I'm gonna glue the cylinder head. I take this and the glue and put it around the cylinder head. There you go. Plenty of glue. Now I don't want to mess this up because I want to be aligned. Wait. There you go. It's aligned, I guess. Yeah. It's more than a line. I really don't want to mess this up. It's one time try. Please? Yes. I think it glued. Take some glue again and seal the cracks. So we don't lose some air. There we go. Now we got the whole cylinder ready. We take this. I'm gonna try something, and if it works, I think it's ready to be run. So that's a really good start. Which way is it? Yeah, this way. So it is looking pretty good inside too. Look, I made a pretty good work. I'm happy about it. How it turned out. Once I glue the crankcase, I can't open it again, and yeah, so it's gonna be the last time I see the inside. Not in the weird way. So let's put some a little bit of glue, not too much, so we can take out the crankcase later. Alright, doesn't glued. Wait. Is it gonna work? I'm waiting to be solid before I move it. I'm pretty happy about it. It's a good quality. Is it tight? Oh, not that much. Oh no. I think some of the tissue got glued on the crankcase. Look. On my hand too. Well, that's super glue, so we all know that it's very, very strong. Now, is it? Oh, it's a lot more strong now. Can I? Oh yeah, I can turn it. So that's it, guys. You can see that it's the whole assembly. I'm proud of it, and so it's time to see if the engine actually runs and that I didn't waste my time. So I'm really nervous. Please subscribe and like the video if you liked it. I'm not gonna force you. I'm really nervous. So let's get into it. I'm gonna get the 3 bottles filled with air. 30 psi. I'm gonna start with it. So yeah, let's test it. I got the 3 bottles here filled with 30 psi. I mean, look at this engine. It's beautiful. Yeah, I did add a rope and a tie wrap because the crankcase was always opening. So I did take something to hold it up, and the little rope, it's for holding the push rod because it was going to a little bit to the side. So I got the inlet here, and I'm gonna put air in it and turn it. I'm really excited or nervous. I don't know. Okay, I need to be fast. Okay. Oh, guys, it actually runs. Wow. Whoa. No, again. Can do it. Wow. It did actually run. I'm shocked. I'm not gonna lie, this is my first engine that I made my own that actually runs. Like the 3-cylinder didn't run because there was so much problems, but this one, the first time, the first design runs absolutely beautiful.